In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your WordPress admin login URL and customize it with your own unique URL without using any plugin. Before we begin, if you're building WordPress websites, one of the easiest ways to design professional and high-converting websites is by using Divi from Elegant Themes. Divi gives you full visual control, powerful customization options, and built-in security and performance features. If you want to try it, you can check the link in the description to get Divi at a great price, and it also comes with a 100% refund guarantee if you don't like it. Now, let's start the tutorial. Here, you can see the default WordPress admin login URL. By default, most WordPress websites use wplogin.phd or wp-admin to access the dashboard, and since this is common knowledge, it can sometimes become a security risk. Changing this URL adds an extra layer of protection. To customize this default URL, first go to your website hosting campaign. Inside campaign, locate the file manager and open it. Now you need to go to your website's main directory. If you only have one website hosted, open the public HTML folder, and if you have multiple websites, open the folder of the specific website whose admin login URL you want to change. Once you are inside your website folder, locate the file named wp-logging.ph. After finding this file, select it, right-click, and download it to your computer. After downloading the file, open it using any code editor such as Sublime Text, VS Code, or any editor you prefer. Once the file is open the Find and Replace option inside your editor. In the Find field, type wp-login, and in the Replace field, enter your custom login URL name. Choose something unique that is difficult to guess. After entering your custom name, click on Replace All to replace all instances of the default login reference with your new custom login name. Next, save the file. After saving, rename the file itself using your custom login name. For example, if your new login name is Secure Login, the file name should be securelogin.php. Now go back to your file manager in cPanel. Inside your website folder, locate the original wp-login.php file and delete it. After deleting the original file, click on Upload and upload the newly edited and renamed login file. Once the upload is complete, your WordPress admin login URL will be changed. Now let's test it. If you try to open the old default login URL, you should see a 404 page not found error, which means the default login path is no longer accessible. Now open your new custom login URL and make sure you include the .pht extension at the end of the URL, because without the extension, the login page will not work and will show a 404 error. After opening the correct custom login URL with the .pht extension, you should see your WordPress login page. Enter your username and password, and you will successfully access your dashboard. And that's it. This is how you can change your WordPress admin login URL without using any plugin. Also, if you want to build faster, more secure, and highly customizable WordPress websites, Divi by Elegant Themes is a great option because it allows you to design pages visually without coding and includes hundreds of ready-made layouts. You can check the link in the description to try Divi at a great price, and remember, it comes with a 100% refund guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and stay tuned for more WordPress and web development tutorials.